Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. Today we will learn lesson 3 and 4 exercises on page number 17, 18 and 19. So let's start the exercise number 2 of the lesson, the show part 1 on page number 17. This exercise is correct the false statements with information from the text. Text means the lesson we learnt in previous class. The first sentence is William wanted to collect money so that they could go to the zoo. This is false statement. And which thing is false in it? The underlined words are false words or the wrong words in this sentence. So you will underline go to the zoo, and in place of it we will write William wanted to collect money so that they could buy bows and arrows. You will write like I have written. Sentence 2. Aunt Emily had been very ill 2 years ago. Had is okay, but been very ill is wrong. These 3 words you will underline, and in place of these 3 words we will write a slight cold. Means Aunt Emily had a slight cold 2 years ago. Then is sentence 3. Aunt Emily enjoyed eating and sleeping. This sentence is true. There isn't any false statement in it. Number 4. William's mother said that he could have a few friends in his room on Saturday afternoon. This sentence is totally correct and true sentence. You will write in front of this sentence true. Number 5. The children came for the show and knocked on the front door of William's house. So here the underlined words knocked on the front door of. These are wrong. In place of these words we will write climbed through windows of William's house. Last sentence is sentence number 6. William wrote the notices for Aunt Emily after the show had started. Yes, this sentence is totally correct. So you will write T for true. I hope you understood this exercise. 3 sentences in this exercise are right and 3 sentences are false where we had made corrections. Number 3, complete the sentences with words or phrases from the text. There are total 9 sentences given, and for each blank the first letter of the word is given. So number 1, a group of school boys who play together is called a gang. Number 2, you can shoot wild animals if you have a bow and some arrows. Number 3, when you make somebody pay for a camel ride, you charge that person some money. Number 4, the opposite of bad cold is a slight cold. Number 5, a short sleep during the daytime is called a nap. 6, if you pay to go into a museum, you pay an entrance fee. Number 7, if a cat is angry, it scratches you on the hand. Number 8, a person who is snoring makes a loud noise while asleep. Number 9, people who don't have their own teeth put false teeth in their mouth instead. You will do exercise 2 and 3 in your textbook on page number 17. The exercise 4, there are 2 questions given that we will write in fair copy. Now we will move towards page number 18. On page number 18, there is given study corner. There is written present perfect tense. Inshallah, this tense in detail we will learn in grammar video, and for now there is only one thing important that you should know, that what is the helping verb of past perfect tense and which form of verb is used with it. So the helping verb of past perfect tense is had. Whenever you will use had, you will use the third form of verb with had. If had is combined with the third form of verb, it is past perfect tense. For example, when Aunt Emily had eaten, she felt better. So had is here, and with had the eat is not written, neither at is written, there is written eaten. It is the third form of eat. So what is past perfect tense? Here past perfect tense describes that number A sentence happened before B sentence. When you describe something that happened before something, that is past perfect tense. Now the next sentence in study corner box is Aunt Emily felt better after she had eaten. Number third is Aunt Emily was snoring because he had eaten a lot of cake. Now students, this is exercise number 1. Put the verbs in brackets into past perfect tense and then listen and check. Means those words which are, or those words are definitely verbs and they are in brackets. What we will do, we will put helping verb before the verb, and also we will change the first form of verb into third form of verb. So let's move towards the solution of this exercise. This is, there is written, Outlaw said, why were you so surprised at first? Friend, because I never see a giant before. So in bracket word never see you will underline, and we will write in place of never see, had never seen. Then is Outlaw, when did you realize that the giant was 2 outlaws, one on top of the other? Friend, after the bottom half of the giant start laughing. So start is again a verb in bracket. You will underline this. This is the first form of verb start. You will put helping verb had and you will change start into its third form, which is started. So you will write, when one half of the giant had started laughing. After the giant look, we will write here had looked at the audience for a time, he fell over and lay on the floor without moving. Outlaw, did the giant manage to get up at once? Friend, no, because the top half of the giant hurt his arm. So we will do here what? Before hurt we will write helping verb had, and the third form of hurt is hurt. We will write the same, had hurt. Then is Outlaw, why was the cat so angry? Friend, because Henry shut it in its basket. So shut is the first form is shut, second form is shut, and the third form of shut is also shut. So we will put only had shut. Then in the last line there is written, after William let it out of its basket. So you will underline word let. It is the first form of verb let. The third form of let is also let. So we will put had let. So these corrections you will do like I have written in book. You will use pencil to do. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corrections you will make. You will change the verbs into past perfect tense verbs by using had and the third form of verb. I hope you understood this. Now students, this is the complete page number 18. Here exercise 1 we have solved, but exercise 2 and 3, these we will do in fair copies. I hope you understood today's lecture very well and you will do these exercises in your textbook. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.